Hi guys, today we'll talk about the best financial modeling course in Noida. In this video, we will talk about financial modeler salary, demand in the market and what you can expect after becoming a financial modeler. Myself Arushika, your career coach. Let's get started. Before moving ahead, I want to tell you कि अगर आप एक best financial modeling course search कर रहे हो, then to make it easier, I have added a link to the best financial modeling course in the description. Do check it out. Now, what is financial modeling? Financial modeling is the process of creating a financial representation of a company using tools like Excel. It helps in forecasting future revenue, expenses, profits, and cash flows. Based on historical data and assumptions, companies use financial modelers for business planning, investment decisions, fundraising, valuation, budgeting, and merger and acquisitions. In simple words, a financial modeler helps businesses predict their future financial performance and make smart strategic decisions. The demand for financial modelers is very high. Companies are willing to offer high salaries to grab skill-based financial modelers because every business needs proper financial planning. If anyone is looking to build a career in this field, then he or she can expect 4.5 LPA to 8 LPA at a fresher level, 10 LPA to 22 LPA at mid-level experience, and 25 LPA or 55 LPA after 7+ years of experience. So as per my experience, it's really good to go course if you're serious about building a strong and high-paying career in finance. Now I hope you liked the video. Do like, comment and share, and don't forget to check out the link to the best financial modeling course available in your city. Thank you.